Hi guys, welcome to my review and repimping and maintaining this external canister filter. This is a HW-302 which seems to be made by SunSun. I don't know, that's coming up. It looks very similar to the All Pond Solutions, but it's not, so don't get it mixed up because they have green sides and things, and this is all grey. So I've looked at the specs and it does turn out to be this SunSun or whatever it is. Maybe there's another name. It doesn't have a name on this. It's a similar price to the All Pond Solutions, maybe just a tad cheaper. It's quite a nice big size. This is the 302 and it's 1,000 litre per hour and it uses 18 watts. I'm going to have a look inside, see what it's got and see whether or not how we can improve anything. So the flaps just come off, although that one's a lever, so that literally opens it, which is good. So before I do that, there's another one for me to undo there, like that one, and this side. So both sides got a thing to lift. Now on this here, this lever here, no doubt stops the water. Doesn't seem to be able to move out, that one. And this is your starter pump. So once you fill it up and start it, you use that. So anyway, let's have a look. Up it comes. And here we've got the pump area. That's quite big. Have to see if we can get this apart to be able to clean the impeller. Now these trays, there's 4 of these. This top one, by the looks of it, is some sort of, well, if it's carbon, it's not the colour I'm expecting, which would be black, because that is usually the M1. Now that's just sitting on top. Right, to do your maintenance, get to the impeller, just twist that in the middle and there's your impeller. That's actually pretty clean, but you know, wipe round all this, give it a rinse, and the impeller appears to be there. So I would guess the water comes in the tube here and then the impeller sucks it out through there. Now you've got an impeller spindle. Well, actually, no, that helped me pull it out. Luckily mine's clean, but you need to rinse that, rub it all round, make it look clean as this. And inside here you would need to get your cotton buds or pipe cleaner type thing and rub around in there, and then rinse it out and make sure that is totally clean in there, because that will keep the noise down and make it work more efficiently. That's like the lid. And then below that, this tray is empty, so I'm going to end up putting something in there. The next tray, as you can see, this is a used filter. So that's the carbon, which is, yeah, one before the end, usually before your fine filter. And then got, this is the third one. I was told there was 4, but this seems to be the bottom one, and it's quite hard to pull out. Right, I managed to wiggle that loose. Yeah, this is this is like a rock bio. No doubt it's a lava. which it may well be glass. They're kind of equivalent to a ball. I think these come with, I think you can get these with bio orbs, these circular tanks. They have them. And it does seem to be a bit of brown on there, which potentially, hopefully, is the beneficial bacteria. These feel lighter. Don't mind them so much. But that's what's at the bottom. So I might keep that at the bottom initially. But I will add a different bio in there that most people would generally recognise. So 3 trays and a lid, and on the lid you can put something. Now I was given another one of these in this sealed bag, and it's clear. Now if we've got carbon in there, what is this? Maybe it's a phosphate remover. I'll have to look it up and see if I can add that in the text when I edit the video. So that'll be at the bottom. Then the chemical. And then the filters. See this? Pond foam. And as you can see, I can cut that to size and it will fit all round. And I can have a layer of that at the bottom. And then a slightly finer medium in there, so I can fit 2 layers of this, one of each, and that'll still give me a bit of space if I want to add either a thicker one if I get hold of it, or I can add the fine. Okay guys, that's my first one with the coarse foam. And now I'm going to put a finer one on top. So there we have it. I've now got a finer amount on top, which will keep the water nice and cleaner. When putting these back in, you're not sure which way, there is actually a little orange sticker that says intake water level. So basically, you put the tubes there, like so. That's it, clicks in, and then when I put this on with the hole over that position, and because this is the back, so the wires at the back, and then this here clip in place, and then reconnect these, and then we clip down, all ready to go. Well, thanks for watching. If this has been helpful, please like and subscribe for any future videos. I'm going to quickly turn this on, see that it works and see what it sounds like. Can't plug it in just yet. These pipes I don't think are long enough to get into my tank. They're quite wide tubes. Being clear, I don't know if that's a good thing or not, but potentially you can see the water flowing if anything gets in there. So that's handy. What I don't like about this is that you've got the power lead here, which to me is the back. I mean, really, the power lead's at the front, I guess. But either way, I'm going to plug that in. I'm going to switch it on. So that's working. I've been looking at the specs and this actually does reach the top of my tank. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to wire this up from the back. Comes with 3 of these. 2 go on here, this downlet pipe, which is black, which is quite hidey. It's got this quite weird thing there, which pops up to the water, so that will basically filter bits and things on the top, which is maybe quite handy. And then we've got the outlet pipe, which is a bar, which sort of gives you a wider output. And then there's one clip for that, which will go on there or on here. I mean, it doesn't really matter too much. That's pretty good. Thanks. Hope you enjoyed.